Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1 to 3 counting, colors names. White color, pink color, light blue color, light green color, brown color, black color, purple color, dark blue color, dark green color, yellow color, orange color and red color. Let's start. Yellow color. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. Dark green color. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. T-E-N 10. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 'Red color. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. So kids, what we learn today? We learn yellow color, green color and red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.